Hey guys, it's been a while. Still locked down. Coronavirus is still going on. The hammer bumper for the Fortuna has recently been announced and it looks amazing, so I thought I would get it. I probably should wait until lockdown has been eased further and get a professional to install it for me, but I'm gonna try it myself.
I must say I do wish that they had just recorded a video while they were putting together this instruction packet. The other thing is none of the part numbers are listed, so you've got all your parts over here, but there's no key, so there's nothing that explains that part one is this. So then I've got this whole table full of things, and none of them are actually labeled, but I'm pretty sure I'll figure it out, hopefully.
So I almost failed at the very first hurdle. I really couldn't get the grill off. These plastic clips, after they got covered in so much mud in the Okavango, are really sticky. And it took me freaking ages. Okay, whole front bumper is off. The bumper was actually relatively straightforward. I struggled more with the grill than with the bumper because of those clips that were sticking. She's looking a bit like Frankenstein at the moment, but she'll look really beautiful soon. I didn't manage to finish last night. I managed to hang the bumper though. I did need some help with that. It was the one thing that I haven't been able to do myself. My buddy that we're staying with gave me a hand last night. It was pretty late though, so I didn't get it all on video. So she's almost there. I got to get the grill back in, and then I just have to adjust the angles a little bit. I want to close the gap a tiny bit on the bumper. It's sitting a little bit low. Then once everything is on the bumper, I can cut off that little bottom bit of the wheel well that's going to stick out, and she should be good to go. And we can take her out this afternoon and get some photos. I do need to wash her. She's never normally this dirty, but lockdown. So normally this job is done with 4 people, but when you don't have 4 people and you have a high lift jack, and if you're very careful with it, because high lift jacks are very, very dangerous, you can make it work. So I've got my lift mate on, which is that jacking attachment on the end of the high lift jack there, so I don't have to jack directly on the bumper and potentially damage it. And I'm just lifting the bumper up to close the gaps on the sides. So now I've got the gap nice and closed and it's nice and uniform throughout. So I can tighten the bolts now. And then the bumper is on. I've got to put the bottom end of the bumper on still, but the main part is done, which is fantastic. But yeah, be very careful of high lift jacks. They kill people, literally. Okay, so she's very almost done. I've got the plates on the sides now. You can see the grills in as well. It looks really nice and black. Still debating whether I'm going to paint this black as well. I'm not sure if I like the red in the hammer. But yeah, she's looking really good. I'm very happy. It's taken longer than expected. I did finally get a how-to kind of video from Hammer this morning, which was a great help. A little bit too late, but it's still nice to have. I want to mount my high lift jack on the side of the car and then give her a good clean, which is very overdue. She's very dirty, but the bumper looks amazing. I love the stance. It makes the wheels look bigger. It just looks super cool. I'm very, very happy. I'm also happy with how the matte black came out on all of the chrome bits. So she's all done. Took a couple of days to do, but I probably could have done it faster if I wasn't in lockdown. I think she looks pretty amazing. Today I also moved some of the stuff around on the roof. So I could get the high lift jack on the side. We had it mounted in the car, but it was making quite a racket, so I wanted to get it onto the roof rack. So we had to sacrifice our portable shower
but we hadn't been using it that much, if I'm completely honest. And then now the high lift jack is on the car and it looks really nice. I think it looks super cool. Very happy. But I'll go take some proper photos now. That's Leo, by the way. I know he said hello a couple of times during the various videos. Hey, Leo. Hey, Leo.
Never at ease, I don't know a limit. Chasing a dream, I don't know what sleep is. I got a queen, she lit me to eat it. She ripe like a peach and she snapped me to snippet. We well overdue for that link up in person. Text me to fall through its murder, she wrote it. Still up with courage, you're doing a service. Pull up to the crib, I'm equipped with the brush strokes. Cutthroat from the low, where no love goes. Women buddy like it's been bad. When me looking at the bill stack. Off the buddy, I've been stressed out. Let the smoke scream from my chest out. Just laced up, I really hate love from a stranger. She just fake stuff when you need it from you. Yeah, could crash land in the palm of my hand. Bad little flex wanna play by the coast. Carry the torch and way up the slitty wherever we flow. I came from the cold, used to rest on the floor. I stitch up my wounds, was born a soldier. Flipping the struggle, I'm taking it worldwide. Hold it down when you talk to me. Say it is what it's supposed to be. Say it loud, better mean it too, yeah. Talk that good when you talk to me. Say it nice and I give it to you. You know my word is bond, yeah.